Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to find community chat in Facebook Messenger. So let's get started. Firstly, tap on the Messenger app on your mobile device. After you tap on it, you can see three dashboard available in the top left corner. Tap on it, then you can see communities option available there. So these are the communities you are uh, joined in. So you can simply go and tap on the edit option available there. If there are other communities, then you will get to see a long list of communities here, and if you want to remove or delete any of the communities, then you can simply go to the communities option available, then tap on the edit, and you can see you can just remove the checkbox and tap on the done, then the one community is not available there, and you can do same with other communities you don't want to be part of as well. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching.